For the first time, the city of Muscatine put up HESCO barriers as part of its flood preparation plan. Tonight, News 8's Cesar Sanchez has more on how they are seeing the benefits of being over-prepared.
Right behind me, you can see the 4-foot HESCO walls that were installed by the city of Muscatine, and city officials say they've been the biggest factor in protecting the city. The HESCO walls were built up to my waist in anticipation that the river levels would reach 23 feet. However, with the river cresting under the prediction, Brian Steinman says it's better to be safe than sorry.
We still want to be prepared for at least 23 and the potential, if anything goes crazy, to be able to build higher than that. So we were, and we didn't get there, and we're happy for that. So
Steinman says the East Mississippi Drive will remain closed after the floods and hopes to get repairs done as quickly as possible. In Muscatine, Cesar Sanchez, WQAD News 8.
The city says they expect repairs near East Mississippi Drive to be complete within a month.